Oh, hey, it's the morning after the day you had pizza for dinner. Congratulations! That means you have leftover pizza, right? You didn't just eat the whole pizza in one night by yourself, right? So you're probably thinking, sick, cold pizza for breakfast. But what if I told you that you can do better? Yes, the title of the video is accurate. I bet some of you thought, oh, it's an omelet with pizza toppings in it. No, that'd be way too much effort, but I love me some pizza, and I love me some omelets, so... Step 1. Hat. Oh, glasses. Oh, fuck, it's early. Our ingredients are eggs, milk, margarine to grease the pan, or butter, you bougie bitch, and pizza, preferably cold. Step 2. I've showed you how to make an omelet before, but for a basic refresher, heat a pan up to, like, medium heat. Yeah, it looks good. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl, and seriously, do not fuck it up this time. They're perfect. Told you I could do this. Pour in a bit of milk. I have no accurate measurements for this. Yeah, that's probably fine. And mix it up with a fork, or a whisk, if you're into that. Side note, you could probably make this with 3 eggs if you wanted to, but that's a lot of eggs, so, you know, try not to go crazy with it. Step 3. With that done, remember that you have pizza in the fridge and say, hell yeah, let's throw that in my omelet. But don't just throw in a whole slice like a maniac. You maniac. It works best to cut a small slice of pizza into chunks. Now, depending on how you cook the pizza, it might be kinda hard to cut, but be confident. Tell the pizza that you ain't afraid of no ghosts, and work through it. By the way, you can skip the crust if you want to, and just eat it to tide you over until the omelet is ready. Just thought I should let you know. Step 4. Now that the slice is successfully chunked, put it into the bowl with your eggs. Mix it around a bit. Make sure it's covered in the egg goo. Step 5. Grease your pan. If you don't, you'll regret it. Step 6. Pour in the egg stuff. I'm going to try to push all the pizza to one side so I can fold it when it's done, but chances are you may have used too much pizza for the omelet to properly close, in which case, freestyle it and tell yourself it's open face and therefore fancier. Step 7. Wait about 5 minutes-ish, like a song or two. The goal is for the pizza to heat up while the eggs cook, and I've generally had good results so far. If you're in doubt, check the underside of the omelet, and if it's kind of brown, say, yeah, good enough, and proceed to the next step. Step 8. Whether you are folding or freestyling, you'll next want to move the omelet off the pan and onto a plate of your choosing. I've chosen this plate because the other 5 plates I own are dirty. And I don't mean I haven't washed them, they're just really into hentai, and eating off of them makes me feel uncomfortable. But, yeah, you're basically done now. Don't forget to turn off the element, maybe wait a minute for it to cool, and go eat a sick omelet. Later, skater.